stand up. Where's your shoes? Nó đi không bao giờ chịu mang giày dép rồi đâu. Cà chớn, con nhỏ cà chớn lắm mà. Kylie, what happened? Why? No, be nice. Be nice, okay?
Can you send me somewhere?
I send it to Vietnam.
Hell yeah, please, here.
Yeah, serious. Serious.
Hey, that's cool.
Yeah.
Here, do the model with. No, the bottom.
I sent to my sister-in-law.
Yeah, that's cool.
Mấy thằng đó là mấy thằng ở gần đó nhà. Chiều chiều nó ra tụi nó uống bia chơi á, cuối tuần. Ngày mai là ngày độc lập của Mỹ.
Please, give me a lot of them.
Oh, right.
Like this.
Kylie, stand up. Play together. Đây là bà già nó, bà là ở next door hả? Bà là rất là nice, bà rất là tốt, hai vợ chồng là tốt lắm. What? Okay, go get basketball. Okay, Kylie, you want to play basketball with her? With Kayla? Come on. There you go. All right, Kayla. Kylie, turn. Uh-oh. Kylie, play with her.
I thought you were going to be my fan. You know, you're not going to be a human. You can't be a human because you want to be a kitty and I want to be a human.
Just let you guys know.
Go play a Kayla. I forget it.
Go play with them. No? Why? Huh?
Because I will be my friend.
Why? No, you're friends together.
You won't be my friend if you won't play with me.
No, go ahead. Go play with her. Go play with them. Come on.
But Kyla won't let me be
Kayla, Kylie, let her play it. Come on, let her play with.
Yeah, I have to be a kitty. I want to be a kitty, Kylie. And I don't want to be a kitty because you can be a human. You be a kitty and don't know how to do it. That means I want you to do the flower then. And
Pat, Pat, this is a video I sent to Vietnam.
Oh, you should act more dignified.
No. Đi ra chơi nè, đi với uống nước lẹ. No, no, don't get the flower. Nước ở đâu uống vậy? Come on.